Well, we always recommend to our clients that they don't use personal email for board business, and specifically to create a unique email account for board business. And the reasons are as follows. One is just a practical reason. One, if you have an email account that is dedicated solely to board business, you know where to find all of those emails related to board business. The perils of using a work email address specifically: one, your employer's email policy may be such that the employer has the right to look at your emails at any time, which means that communications that otherwise might have been privileged are no longer privileged. There's some authority to that effect, not worth the risk. Another peril of using your employee email, your work email, is that if your employment terminates, you lose those emails. You no longer have access to them. We've certainly encountered that situation in the past. Sometimes you can try to subpoena, but sometimes those emails are just destroyed, a certain period of time after the employment terminates. Even if you use a personal email address that isn't unique to board business, you still have to wade through all of those personal emails in the event that you find yourself in a litigation, your building finds itself in a litigation, and you are burdened with having to produce communications in the course of the litigation. You're going to have to either read through all those emails yourself and try to find the ones that pertain to the board business at hand, or even worse, you're going to give your attorney access to your emails, and your attorney is going to weed through all those emails and find out who you're having an affair with, who you like, who you don't like. And in this vein, this is less legal advice than the advice of a parent of a middle school child, which is, don't put anything in an email that you don't want the whole world to know about. Email communications, the internet is forever. Continuing on with general advice about using email as a board member, please don't conduct board business over email. Totally recognize that it's the easiest way to communicate with your colleagues on the board. Absolutely recognize that, but all of this is discoverable. The same holds true to text messages, WhatsApp, same thing. If you want to schedule an in-person meeting, schedule a telephone call, schedule a Zoom meeting, email's the way to go. Don't have debates over email, text, whatever, with your colleagues on the board. If you absolutely, positively, 100% must do so, don't think that just because you copy your counsel on the email, it's automatically privileged. It is not. While email is a very convenient tool, use it wisely.